Hey there, Amy here. I spoke to Michelle today. Here is the video we talked about. I'm a local business owner just like yourself and know that COVID shook a lot of businesses up. I'm going to show you what you can do to get a more predictable and steady flow of customers. I'm pretty much going to explain to you 3 things that you can do today to really bring value to your company and start getting more customers through your door, okay? Often local business owners like yourself are too busy running your business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation that you guys have to hiring somebody is they don't really know who is an expert and who isn't. I found that giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things you can do to impact your business has resulted in some of those business owners raising their hands and saying, I like you, Amy, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help you with your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I'm giving you and do it yourself, that works for me too. The very first thing I want to go over is your website, what we call content. Now when someone searches for, let's say, AC Repair Austin, Google crawls websites on the internet, searching and ranking the sites. It's looking for keywords. It's looking for what should this site be found for. So when I go through here, I see you have some nice photos on your site and a beautiful layout. I see a little bit of content, but not a whole lot of content. And one thing I can tell you about Google is Google loves content. So Google likes to see about 2,000 words on your front page. And we're looking at right now with your site is we're probably sitting at about 900 words on this page. So adding about 1,100 words of content with keywords that you're trying to target, it's going to help you get found for those keywords. And we'll talk a little bit more about keywords here in a second. But not only does Google just look at your site, but when Google comes into your site, they can't tell what they should be ranking you for if you don't have any keyword specific things on here. So what does that mean? Well, let's look over here at your competitor. So let's see here. When I looked up AC Repair Austin, these guys came up. And when we start scrolling through their website, we see content here, pictures, and they have about 1,100 words on here. Very beatable in terms of content. So what does this mean? Well, right here is a tool I use called a refs, and it allows me to see every keyword you're ranking for, how much traffic you get into your site, and we can see here that you're getting found for 278 keywords, and you had 25 people in the last month come to your website. So when we jump in here and we look at your competitor right here, we can see that they're getting found for 669 keywords, right? And they've had 945 people in the last month to their website. When we go in here and we click on keywords, you can see, I'm going to go ahead and put these in order of position that they're in on Google. So we want to go over here and air conditioning Austin. They're in #1 position on Google. AC installation Austin, also #1. That's their name. So AC Contractors Austin Techs, #1 for that one. And then we can go on, but we'll stop right there. So just those 3 keywords alone, I mean, you're talking a lot of clicks on Google, almost 200 or so that you're missing out on, okay? So once we do the first thing of getting the right content on your site and getting the right keywords on your site, the next thing is to go and find what we call backlinks, okay? So what are backlinks? Backlinks are pretty much, let's say another HVAC site from Austin, Round Rock, or even Florida. It just needs to be in your kind of field, HVAC, linking back to your site saying that you're the most popular one here. So the way that Google works, it's like a popularity contest back in high school, you know? And I'm going to go right back over here and go to the overview. The more sites we get linking to your site, the more popular it tells Google that you are, and the more they want to rank you for these keywords. So when we go in here and we look at your competitors, we can see that they have 166 referring domains linking back to their site. So we have to beat it. And not all backlinks are created equal, right? So getting a link from Starbucks, say, linking to you is not going to be as powerful as a home improvement or supply company or something like that linking back to you to tell Google that you're relevant, you're in the right niche, and you're popular. That's what we want to go after, okay? So we have about 166 referring domains. Now, we don't want to get the same amount as them when it comes to backlinks. We want to beat them by either doubling their amount or simply going out and finding quality links with more power. So to really start beating out the competition, to outrank them, and to take that traffic. So the last thing we want to talk about today, but not the least, I want to talk about is the next thing we want to go get is called citations. Okay, so now I'm sure that you've heard of the map pack before, and let me just pull that up right here. So there's the map pack with the map there. Okay, and just below that, this is what we call organic. Okay, so when I looked through there for AC Repair Austin, you were on page 4 at number 32. So keep in mind that the sites on page 1 will take 80% of the traffic. So to get to the top of organic, we've got to get your keywords up, we've got to get all the links coming in, and then to get into this map pack right here, we have to go after what we call citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number throughout the web on as many directories as possible. And a directory is like Yelp, Yext, CityStar, all those directories that are out there. We want to get your business listed on them. It tells Google that you're legit. So I put you in this tool and you had about 29 citations, and your competitor who is beating you had 273 citations. So my recommendation is to go out and get as many as you can. This will take you about 20 minutes per citation. Okay, so when you come in here to the map pack and you look at more businesses, click view all, you can see all the list of HVAC companies in that area. You are number 82. So the goal is to be in the top 3 position. That's where 20% of the clicks on Google go to. So once again, we went over content. We got to get that content on your site. You've got a beautiful looking site, but we just got to get those keywords on there and that relevant content. Then once we have that, we want to go after your backlinks, right? We need to get your backlinks up, start driving traffic to where you're getting a lot more people a month to your site. And then once we have that, we want to go after those citations, okay? So those are the 3 things that I think, if implemented today, it's really going to get you found on Google and drive more customers to your business. Now, I've only shown you one competitor and one keyword search. There are dozens of buyer intent keywords for the HVAC industry that we could capture the traffic of hundreds of clicks per month that you aren't getting. So what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, you want to save yourself time, you can give me a call. And here is my info right there. That's my personal cell number. Feel free to call that, 979-709-1593. Let's see, if you want to know more about us, you can also go to my website, which is lodestarseo.com. Or once again, you can call me directly at that cell phone number. I am looking forward to following up with you to get your thoughts. You have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.